Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to test out this Brinly single bottom moldboard plow. This is the PP1200, the one I picked up on eBay for $200 on the Massey Ferguson GC-1725M. Now before we get started, I just want to talk about this single bottom moldboard plow a little bit more. It came set up for category 1 down here, but the top was category 0, and I looked for a while for a category 0 top link. They just weren't long enough. I think the one I found was 18 inches. You definitely need at least 20 inches from implement to tractor. So I ended up just going ahead and using my existing category 1 top link. And what I did was just slightly bend this part so I could get in the category 1 implement as far as this top link. If I take this out, then it will go back to its normal spacing. Now this bolt here is just keeping this together down here. It doesn't need the spacer anymore because everything is up here. Working great. I can't wait to put this into the field, but I think it's a steal for $200. Cleaned up the moldboard plow in the previous video, and I ended up just painting that. So good to go. We're gonna try it out. Probably have to adjust this so I can get it just right. I'm not sure if I have to go forward or back a little more, and I might have to adjust this. We'll see how it works and go from there. Alright guys, so I think it went better as it went along. I noticed on the top link, at least for my use, keeping it straight up, not going one way or the other, straight up as much as possible, was the best cutting angle. This is a big improvement right here, being able to flip the soil over and just sort of break everything up. This is what I wanted to do last year with my middle buster, but that did not work. And this is definitely where I wanted to be last year. So we'll let it dry out a little bit, then we'll come in and till it up. Also went ahead and worked on the regular vegetable garden. This soil is in much better shape. There's a little clay, but we brought in a lot of topsoil over the last couple of years. Just make it really nice. So we've got the small pumpkin patch right there. I got a lot more to go, several more patches to do, but it is going really quick and efficient with this moldboard plow. So I spent most of the afternoon pulling out these large boulders, the ones that are covered with dirt, not these bigger ones. These are some I purchased for landscaping purposes, but look at the size of this. This thing is huge. So it seems like the last mile here was a challenge. Still have that little patch to do in front of the solar panels. So here's Miss Massey right here. She's the unsung hero, both yesterday and today, getting the job done. That Moldboard plow is working awesome. Gonna clean her up, give her a bath. She deserves it after a hard weekend of work. So I'm gonna finish the video right now, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Come on back for more videos. Stay tuned, and we'll be showing more Massey Ferguson videos in the GC-1725 as well as other DIY projects. Take care.